In this video, I will show you how to clean C drive in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. It's worth checking your C drive from time to time to make sure that it is cleaned as best as possible to ensure a smoother and faster performance of your Windows 11 PC or laptop. There's a couple of ways you can do this, and to start with, what we're going to do from our desktop is come down to the search box in the taskbar at the bottom. Into the search box, type disk cleanup, just like this, and then click onto disk cleanup underneath best match. Now what that's going to do is open up a window like this, and in here you want to basically tick all of these boxes. So this is all going to be like temporary files and things that you don't really need on your PC, and once you've ticked all of those, it's going to tell you how much disk space you're going to gain. In my example, I'm going to gain 5.86 gigabytes. What you then want to do is come and click onto cleanup system files, and what it's going to do is start running through the disk cleanup process. Once that's done, go ahead and click OK, and what you can then do is click onto delete files, and that's going to permanently delete these files. Once you've done that, what you can do next is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, into the search box type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Now in your settings window, what you need to do is come over to the left hand side to this menu and click onto system. Then on system, what you want to do is look for storage, so you can see that's down here, give that a click. And what you want to do on the storage screen is come down a bit to the storage sense option. Now you need to make sure this is turned on. I would recommend leaving it switched on. So what it's going to do is automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. In other words, what it's going to do is if you have any temporary files building up, it's going to automatically delete those to free up space, and it saves you running through the disk cleanup. Now, once you've done that, what you can do is come back over to the left-hand side in your settings window and click onto apps. Then what you want to do is click onto installed apps at the top of the screen. And on here, what you can do is come up to where it says sort by, click onto this drop-down box and change it from size large to small. What this is going to do is display all the installed apps on your PC, from the app using the most amount of space to the app using the least amount of space. So at the top, you're going to find like games and programs and things like that, which use a lot of your C drive space. Now what you can do is scroll through this list starting from the top and start deleting and uninstalling apps that you no longer use or don't really use that much or no longer require. For example, scrolling through, say we wanted to uninstall The Sims 4, a game, then what you would do is come to the right hand side of the app, to these three dots where it says more options, give that a click, and you're going to see an option to uninstall. In this example, if I was to uninstall The Sims 4, I'm going to free up 25 gigabyte of space on my C drive. We can just repeat this and go through this list and use that to free up as much space as possible. So that is how to clean your C drive in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.